Choosing the right pressure cooker can completely change the way you prepare everyday meals, especially when you want great food without spending hours in the kitchen. But with so many models offering different cooking functions, sizes, and designs, finding the one that actually deserves your countertop can get confusing. That's exactly what we're solving today on Tech Fact. In this video, we're checking out the top 5 best pressure cookers in 2026, focusing on what makes each model useful, practical, and worth considering. From versatile electric multi-cookers to dependable stovetop designs, there's something here for different cooking styles and needs. So stay with me until the end, because your ideal pressure cooker might be one you haven't considered yet. If you enjoy practical product guides like this, subscribe to Tech Fact, hit like, and drop a comment telling us which pressure cooker you would choose. Number 5. Presto 0136-2 Stainless Steel Pressure Cooker. The Presto 0136-2 Stainless Steel Pressure Cooker takes a simple approach. Instead of combining multiple electronic cooking modes, it focuses on traditional stovetop pressure cooking and does that job efficiently. The 6-quart model is suitable for preparing meats, chicken, fish, vegetables, beans, soups, and meals that benefit from faster cooking. Its stainless steel construction gives it a durable, easy-to-clean exterior, while the tri-clad base uses aluminum between stainless steel layers to promote quick and even heating. The pressure regulator automatically maintains the proper cooking pressure, and the cover lock indicator shows when pressure remains inside the cooker. It works on gas, electric, smooth top, and induction ranges, making it flexible for kitchens. Presto includes a cooking rack for preparing foods without mixing flavors, along with an instruction and recipe book. The highlight feature of this product is its tri-clad base, which combines stainless steel with an aluminum core to deliver more consistent heat across the cooking surface. Number 4. Tefal Clipso Pressure Cooker. The Tefal Clipso is a great option for cooks who prefer a traditional stovetop pressure cooker with a modern, user-friendly design. Built with stainless steel construction, it is made for cooking while delivering the high heat and pressure that help meals finish faster. The cooker can be used for dishes such as meat, vegetables, soups, stews, rice. Tefal focuses heavily on ease of handling, and the Clipso design uses a one-handed opening and closing system, so securing or removing the lid feels much simpler than with older pressure cookers. Its pressure cooking system also helps shorten cooking time while supporting flavor and nutrient retention. Depending on the specific Clipso version, included features and capacities can vary, so checking the exact model is important before buying. The stainless steel body is practical for kitchen use and cleaning. The highlight feature of this product is its one-handed opening system, which makes locking and unlocking the pressure cooker convenient at home today. Number 3. Instant Pot Rio Wide 7.5 Quart. For bigger households, the Instant Pot Rio Wide 7.5 Quart brings something different to the countertop. Its wide cooking area gives you more room for browning ingredients, preparing larger cuts of meat. This model provides 7 cooking functions, including pressure cooking, slow cooking, sautéing, steaming, rice, yogurt, and keeping food warm. The stainless steel inner pot uses a tri-ply bottom for more even heating, while the anti-spin design keeps the pot steady during sautéing. The easy release system simplifies steam venting. Instant Pot says the Rio Wide can cook up to 70% faster than traditional slow cooking methods. The 7.5 quart capacity is useful for family dinners, gatherings, and meal preparation. It is handy when you want one pot to manage a large dinner without crowding the cooking area. The highlight feature of this product is its wide cooking surface, offering significantly more room for searing and handling large foods than a conventional tall cooker. Number 2. Instant Pot Duo Plus 6 Quart. The Instant Pot Duo Plus 6 Quart is built for cooks who want versatility without turning dinner into a complicated project. This 6-quart multi-cooker offers 9 cooking functions, covering pressure cooking, slow cooking, steaming, sautéing, sous vide, rice, yogurt, cake, and keeping food warm. Its guided controls make the cooking process easier to follow, with a clear display and progress information that keeps you updated while a recipe is running. The stainless steel inner pot has an anti-spin design and a tri-ply bottom, which is useful when sautéing ingredients before pressure cooking. Cleanup is also convenient because the lid and inner pot are dishwasher safe. With its family-friendly capacity, it can handle dinners, meal prep, soups, beans, rice, and tender meats without needing several separate appliances. During busy family cooking and meal preparation, the highlight feature of this product is its Whisper Quiet Steam Release, which helps make pressure release noticeably quieter and more comfortable during cooking. Number 1. Instant Pot Pro 6 Quart. If you want one pressure cooker that can handle everyday meals without feeling complicated, the Instant Pot Pro 6 Quart is a seriously capable choice. It combines 10 cooking functions, including pressure cooking, slow cooking, steaming, sautéing, rice, yogurt, sous vide, baking, sterilizing, and keeping food warm. The 6-quart capacity works well for family meals and weekly meal prep, while the large LCD display gives clear cooking updates as you move through each program. You also get 28 customizable programs and 5 favorite settings, making it easy to save the recipes you prepare most often. The stainless steel inner pot is designed for practical everyday cooking, and the appliance includes safety features for pressure cooking confidence. Its modern control system also makes switching between functions feel straightforward rather than overwhelming. The highlight feature of this product is its combination of 10 cooking functions, customizable programs, and 5 favorite settings, giving you unusually flexible control in one compact kitchen appliance at home. And that brings us to the end of our top 5 best pressure cookers in 2026. Each model brings something different to the kitchen, whether you care most about versatility, capacity, convenience, or traditional pressure cooking performance. Now I'd love to hear from you. Which one would you pick for your kitchen, and why? Share your choice in the comments, because your recommendation could help someone else make a smarter decision. If this comparison made your search easier, give the video a like and subscribe to Tech Fact for more practical, honest, and easy to understand product comparisons. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.